guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this butter garlic fried rice. It is a delicious recipe and it is packed with flavor of garlic and butter. You will absolutely love this recipe. It is a very simple and easy recipe, so please do try this recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, in a hot pan, add 60 grams or 2 large cubes of butter. Then add 6 chopped garlic cloves and fry this until the garlic is nice and brown. Make sure you do not burn the garlic. Then add 1/3 cup of spring onion white and fry this for a few seconds. Then add 1 large bowl of cooked rice and fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1 stock cube, add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, add half cup chopped spring onion green and add some salt to taste. Then fry this again for about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure it is nicely mixed. And when you fry the rice, make sure you fry it on a high flame. There you go, the rice is ready now. If you want to cook something quick and nice and delicious, this is a perfect recipe and you will never go wrong with this recipe. So please do try it, and if you like this recipe then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.